Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Login. I'm back with another video on how to sign up for Directv. Directv is an American direct broadcast satellite service provider which is based in California and Denver. If you'd like to subscribe for Directv and start your registration now, keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's get started. Start by clicking open a web browser. Go to the address bar at the top and type in www.directv.com and search. Once you do that, you'll end up in the official website for Directv. From the official website, go to My Account tab at the top right and click on Create Account. If you're assigned with an AT&T Access ID when you signed up for this service, you don't need to create an account. You can simply click on this link right here where it says sign in using your AT&T Access ID and you'll be able to log into your account by following the on-screen prompts. If you don't have an AT&T Access ID, go to the text boxes and in the text boxes below, you'll need to input any two of the three required fields. You can either enter your account number, your phone number on account, and type in the last four digits of your credit card on file. I'm going to type in my phone number and the last four digits of my credit card. Once you do that, enter your last name into the next field, and finally click on Continue. This is for the people who already are a customer on Directv. But if you are not a Directv customer yet, go and click on this Get Directv link at the bottom and follow the on-screen prompts. After filling in all the information and clicking on Continue, on the next page, go ahead and follow the on-screen procedures and you'll be able to sign up for Directv in no time. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.